Yo, it's Hublo. Back with another video. Recording this video for the second time. So let's try again. So we did have a great week in the markets. We had this first 100 pip position that we took, took some partials. It didn't quite hit TP, opened up this candle, wicked break even, which we should have just left our SL up here, but just because of the uncertainty of how it interacted with price here, I put it at break even. Told the chat to do so as well. And then after a week here, it came back, touched TP, and then reversed. So it is what it is. We did end up missing the big sell down, which this sell is the one that I was anticipating for when this actually happened, because I was aiming for these areas down here. Price reverse came, took out everybody who was, had their stop losses above. I had my stop loss here, like here for like this trade. So we would have been taken out of this one if we would have held it longer. And this was from the previous week. And then we had this move down. And after this move down, I was kind of iffy about taking this position only because we had the respective structure here. So as you can see, I put this line here because price was respecting the structure, creating higher highs. We created higher highs here. We were creating higher highs again. We didn't close below this structure. We had an imbalance here, so there was a chance that it could come here and sell. And we had a POI up here, which there was a chance it could come up here and sell. Because we were in those higher highs and we created higher highs here, we were creating higher highs here. I didn't feel fully comfortable buying because of these interest areas, and I didn't feel comfortable fully selling because of the direction that the price was giving us at the time. So I just sat on my hands, didn't do anything. Price went all the way down, came all the way down here, excuse me, and I didn't chase. That was one thing that I definitely want to show you guys in this challenge, that we can get to our goals and where we want to go without having to chase the market. And that's just something that I'm just not going to do. Um, Now, when the count gets like a little bit higher, then maybe, we wouldn't chase, but, we can be a little bit more aggressive on our approach. But um, the account is currently sitting at $816 or so. So we're still gonna, just maximize as much as we can. Now, we are currently in a trade right now that is pending. We are in this trade here, so we did get activated at this buy stop. I have another position at the top. What we're looking for is for price to at least elevate from this area. If price elevates up to this area and at least goes up here, we'll be at least up $2,000 in the account. We are risking at least 50% of the account right now on this one trade. Um, so I don't know why it logged me out, but yeah. If you guys are on our Discord, definitely feel free to join it. I added the picture in there yesterday, so definitely feel free to join that. Yeah, I added the picture in there yesterday, so yeah, definitely look at it there. I don't know why I'm logged out of my broker, but I think my broker was doing some maintenance, so probably like log me out and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna log in a little bit here. But this is what I see price doing for like the week. Definitely, strong rejections to the downside. We got boom, new high, came down, rejected, respected, rejected, closed below, but we could still see some pressure up, collecting some of this liquidity above here before either going down further or creating a new high. So we'll see exactly what price has to offer, but definitely going to be going up a bit. May close around this area. It just really depends where I feel like price is going to go. If we get a big shoot up, you know, um, with the session open, I might just close. You just never know with those type of things. I might just close, but it just really depends. Let's just see what we can get. And yeah, I'm just looking forward to the opening today. You guys stay tuned as well. Again, I'm Hublo, and I'm out.